Hey guys, today I am talking to all you new mamas out there. Whether it's your fifth baby or your first, I want to share with you some helpful new mom styling advice. I want you to not only look more put together, but to just feel more put together and feel more confident, even when your hands are completely full and you may just be so overworked. I get it. I'm a mom of 3 and I style a lot of new moms, so I've been able to pick up a couple helpful tips along the way. So let's get into it. The first tip to looking good before you even go shopping is kind of twofold here. And the first part is to just simply know what is in your existing closet. I am not asking you to do an entire overhaul. I'm not asking you to pull everything out and try it on, but I am asking you to just know what's in there, just like a really good idea, so that you can kind of start writing a list of what you need. The second part is to know what looks good on you. What's your body shape? Some people know it. Some people are like, oh, I am a triangle through and through, right? Other people are like, well, I actually don't know. So I did create a series of body shape videos where the first video, I teach you how to figure it out. It's really easy, a lot easier than most people think. And then the rest of the videos will teach you how to dress each body shape. So if you don't know your body shape, go check these videos out. I will link it down below in the description. Be honest with your body and just know, like, you know what? A bodycon dress isn't for me. And that's okay. That is like step number 1, is to know what doesn't work and to go from there. The second tip is to create a beginner capsule wardrobe. So heavy emphasis on beginner, because I know that capsule wardrobes, like just the sound of it can sound daunting. So I am not asking you to go through your wardrobe and get rid of everything except for 13 pieces or whatever the magic number is. Like, not at all. We don't have time for that. A lot of us don't have the need or the willingness to do that. But what I am referring to is making sure that you have those capsule pieces in your closet. So a capsule wardrobe are the basics, like the things that can be mixed and matched together to create outfits, and that's like simply all you need. You can bring in new colors, new textures, new patterns, but as long as you have the basics, you're gonna have clothes to wear. So a lot of you may have all of like these basic capsule pieces covered. You may be good. Some of you may be missing 1 or 2, and a lot of you, shockingly, may be missing a lot, which is why you're watching this video, because you don't know what to wear. So let's go over those few pieces. A couple things to keep in mind before we do though is everyone is different and your needs are gonna be different. Whether that is you are a stay-at-home mom or you are a working mom, these pieces are gonna be different. They're gonna differ depending on the regions that you live in, if it's hot or cool or wet. Okay, so these are just the very basics. You can adjust as needed, but let's get into it. I first recommend 2 different types of denim. The first one is a mid-rise dark wash skinny jean. I know that was a mouthful, but they are all very specific for a reason. I love a dark wash because they go with a lot. They're gonna be able to be very casual as well as being able to be dressed up. I like a skinny jean, even though I know some of y'all have canceled it, but it's a classic. And then you may have noticed that I said a mid-rise, not a high, but I find that a mid-rise is just more flattering. Once you get into the 9, 10, 11 inch rises, which is a high rise, it's not really camouflaging a whole lot. And people find that they are actually looking bigger than like camouflaging that in those higher rises. So I love a mid-rise jean. I also recommend a more loose pant. So that could be a super wide leg pant, a wide leg denim, or it could be a girlfriend or a boyfriend jean. It could even just be a pair of straight denim pants. I also recommend one comfy jumpsuit and a comfortable dress. The style, the length, the fit, that is up to you, but those are just really good basic pieces to have. Next, moving on to the shirts, I recommend 2 to 3 casual tees. If you are nursing, make sure that they are nursing friendly, whether those are buttons or wrap style or that they're really stretchy, but just make sure that you can actually nurse in them if you are nursing. I also recommend 1 to 2 neutral blouses. So this is gonna be a little bit more dressy than your shirts, but it doesn't mean you have to do a silk or something that's hard to care for. Obviously you have little ones, but that just adds a little bit more than those really casual tees. 1 to 2 neutral sweaters that are seasonless, which simply means they're not too heavy. You can add them on, layer with them, and out the door you go. 1 fashionable sneaker in a neutral color. For me, I prefer white. Maybe you prefer a blush or a navy blue, but something that's just pretty neutral that can be paired with a lot. And then lastly, I recommend 1 to 2 layering pieces. So that could be a denim jacket, a leather jacket, bomber jackets. This is going to differ depending on where you live and the season, but you're gonna find that those are so easy to pull and that they just add this magical third layering piece to an outfit and just kind of help to complete it. All right, so those are the pieces. If you do the very minimum, it's 11 pieces. 11 pieces that you should have in your wardrobe to help it feel more complete and for you to just feel more complete, right? That's what we're talking about here. The coloring is up to you. I like to keep these very neutral. So if you prefer more earthy tones, if you like the navies and beiges and olives, go that route. But if you prefer a more contrast look with blacks and whites and reds and blues, then go that route. The whole point of this capsule wardrobe is just to have a really simplified uniform that you can use for a variety of tasks. You just want something that works no matter what you're doing. With wardrobe basics at your side, you are almost ready to go. The third key to getting out the door in a few stylish minutes is accessories. These are the little pieces that define you, that create your signature look. So wardrobe pieces could be shoes, jewelry, hat. Do you want to be a hat girl? I don't know. Maybe that's your signature. A bold lip, a really cool haircut. They don't have to be hard. They can be combined together. They don't have to cost a lot. But this is just a place that you can express your taste and your style, so have fun with it. All right, you've got your coordinated capsule wardrobe. You have your accessories, that special signature piece that makes it you and makes it fun. What else can you do to feel polished and ready for the morning? I got 2 tips for you. The first is to create a personal lookbook, which is very simple. When you are wearing an outfit that you love, that makes you feel great, snap a picture in it. Whether it's a picture in a mirror or a selfie, this does not have to be high quality, but snap a picture of all the outfits that you love and put it into an album in your phone. So maybe it's Kayla's lookbook. So when you are in a crunch, you can flip through your phone, pick out an outfit from your lookbook that you already know you love, put it on, go out the door. It is so simple. I create lookbooks for all of my clients because after we've spent a lot of time and they've spent a lot of money on clothes, they want to know what to wear in the end. The second tip may seem super simple, but a lot of you don't do it. And that is just to pull out your clothes the night before, even your shoes. If it needs some polishing, if they need some ironing, you can get it done at nighttime. So when you're in a crunch in the morning, you already know what you're gonna wear. You're not making a mess of your closet trying on 3 different outfits. You just put it on and you're out. We wanna stay really simple and easy here. As a mother and a woman, confidence sells just about anything. So my 5th tip is to have confidence in yourself. You could be wearing leggings, but if you style it with confidence, people are gonna think, ooh, athleisure wear versus, mom brain, right? Like, it doesn't matter what your signature is. It doesn't matter how great your outfit is. If you don't have confidence, nothing else matters. You just created a human being. Maybe this is your 5th human being. I don't know, but you are incredible. Believe in yourself. Believe in your self-worth because you have it. You are an incredible person. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. You can stick around for my next video. And if you enjoyed this one, please give it a like. Bye, y'all.